July 28, 2018. As you can see, this says November 15th of 2004. See? You can see a brand new appliance here. Never been opened. Ever since it was made. And packaged up. This one over here was made December 9th of 2004. And see, it's July of 2018. Same with this one. It's brand new, but it's old also because it's never, it's never been opened. But it's new in that it's never been used. It's never even been out of the boxes. So this is a freezer. Whirlpool. And this is a refrigerator Whirlpool. The foam was always like that when they packaged it back then. It was broken. It's just the foam now. As you can see, it's all sealed up. Never been opened. Been in storage all them years. All right, I'm gonna get these things open. See it? See, 2018, July. These appliances were made way back in 2004. think I'll keep it where it shows the date on there. You know, November 15th, 2004. See? I'll cut that out. Looks weird back there. It's all ripply like. See that? Like wave ripples. See it?
Yep.
What's that all about? I don't know why that piece of tape's there. Well, if there's anything wrong with them, I sure can't get my money back. 'Cause, you know, I've had these things for
From the heat and the
14
cold.
years.
Heat and cold.
Yeah, well, almost 14 years, just a few months shy of 14 years I've had these things. Is that just the way it was made? That's the back of it, so.
I don't think so.
That's weird. Oh well, it is what it is. It even looks like that over here. That's crazy. Okay. Still filming? That's a long time for an appliance to be sitting. Over 13 years. You know, it's 2018. These were made in 2004. So, but you know, it was late 2004. So it's getting close to being 14 years, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'll have to, like I said, I'll have to keep that, see? Well, it's upside down. See? December 9th, 2004, see? Is when, yeah, I don't know what the 1 is, but yeah, December 9th, 2004. That's when the freezer was made. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pull this junk off from underneath of it. You know what I mean? That's gonna be a trick. Got it. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Same with this one. Got it. Here's the cord. See? See, it's brand new, never been. Look at that. See all that green stuff? I don't know what that's all about. I think that's just corrosion because it's copper. See? You know, that patina or whatever it's called that forms on there, you know, like on the Statue of Liberty.
Because it was outside.
Well, it would have done it in here anyways. Well, you know, no, it wasn't outside. It was in storage out in a building.
I know. It got real cold.
I know. But if it was, you know, even in the basement down here, the copper pipes, they're green too in a lot of spots. It's just normal, but... This looks moldy. This right here, this plastic tube. And that's just some glue or something on it. See? Right there, see it? What that is. Like a sticky stuff on there. I don't know why that ain't hooked up to anything. Maybe it's nothing. Maybe they use that to test it or something. I think that's where the Freon is, in this, or whatever it is, some kind of coolant stuffed in there. It says made in Singapore. I'll just tuck this right here until I get to where I want it so I can run over the cord, you know. It's probably not gonna be so easy to slide it now that the cardboard's not under it.
Fine, then.
It's the same with this. It's got the green stuff on it too. In some spots. Hear me?
Mm-hmm.
And that same stuff, that like a white, it looks like mold. Doesn't make any sense. It's got a little whatever the heck you call these things here too. That's weird. I don't understand why that was on. Just because moisture,
Humidity.
going from hot to cold, hot to
Mm-hmm.
cold. You know, different seasons for the last 13 plus years. I don't see how it could have leaked anywhere because, you know, it's copper pipe, it's sealed.
No crack anywhere.
Well, there's no way to know that. There could be copper, I mean, it's obvious that there could be copper going all over in here. There's no way to know if it's cracked. I don't even know where the cord is. Here it is. Yeah, see? Brand new cord. It's weird though, it's moldy on the end of it, where it plugs in. It's just simply because it's sitting so many years, never being used. It's like opening up an old appliance. You know what I mean? A brand new appliance, but it's old. And that looks all weird too, all ripply. You know what I mean? Like wave ripples going across it.
Mm-hmm.
Even on top it looks weird. It's disappointing. Well, come over here and let's look how it looks inside. I gotta get the tape off and all this stuff. Is it still filming? Yeah, it is. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get the tape off. You might want to come over here and check it out closer. Yeah, from that vantage point. See, it's all just the film on there right now, see? That's not easy to get that stuff off. Look, Energy Star. See, it just come right off. I'm sure that was supposed to stay on there, but it ripped right off with it, see? Energy Star. Whirlpool, see?
Yep.
They even put it on there crooked. Look, it's crooked. That's pathetic. Holy crap, is that really supposed to be that hard to get that off?
No, it's because it's so old.
Gosh. Crap, if I stop, it leaves a line, see? Gotta bring it all the way across without stopping. That's horrible. Gosh. Ow! Crap, that hurt. It's going right up underneath there. I don't know if I'm getting all of it. It's a mess. I think it's like wrapped and going right up in the inside. I don't know how we're gonna get that off there. I gotta do this one now. Some kind of a dead bug on there. Look, it's all dried up. Same thing. Ripped it right off, see? An Energy Star. It even looks like some rust right there. That's stupid though, it's stainless steel. horrible lines it's leaving. I'm trying to pull it in one continuous thing, but it rips. That's a weird thing right there. I should have just went ahead and opened these a long time ago. Mess. It's horrible. Okay, let's look in the inside of them. Oh, one piece up there. I don't know how to get that off there. We'll have to
find something that,
They won't hurt.
yeah, that
Steel.
takes it off and doesn't hurt it.
Yeah.
Takes
That's just
sticky.
gonna have to. We're not gonna have to worry about how it's crooked. It's stupid. Somebody wasn't doing their job right when they put that on there because that's crooked as heck. You can see it's like an 1/8 inch off. See? That's ridiculous. You gotta come back farther to really, tell. Okay. Now we can check and see what it looks like inside. I'll push it back farther. Okay, let's look on the inside, okay? Hope it's not all moldy in there, that'd be horrible. Maybe you should come over here and aim it into here. Oh, wait a minute, that's okay, stay right there. Holy crap. Well, it's not moldy. Smells good.
Okay.
Yeah, I gotta get all this stuff off here too. Look, you can see date 2004. It says it right in there too. Right there. Perfect. Yep. Date 2004. I don't know what them ones are on the end of it, but all right. Let's open this one up now. Okay. It's got a real tight seal. Look at that. From never being opened. This is the first time. All right. No mold. Smells good in there too. I don't know why that's all weird looking back there like that though. See that back there? It's not broken, it just looks weird. Like a wrinkle in it.
Well, yeah, in the back, that's the way it is.
Oh well, as long as it's
I
not
see it.
broken. Yeah.
Yep. That's really, yep.
Yeah, we just gotta be careful not to break it. It ain't broken, is it? It just looks weird. Mm-hmm. And that corner over there has a weird look about it too. Mm-hmm. But look, it's all brand new. Mm-hmm. See? Look at that. Aim it at this. Aim it at this one. See, that's weird up in there, in that corner too, a little weird. Like a little wrinkle in the corner right here. Look, see, there's a dent right here. See, I didn't do that. See, I just opened the door up the first time. Look at the dent. That's the way they made it. See it?
Yep.
Aim it at that. See it? Right there. It's right here. No, the lens is right there. There you go. See? Yep. Little dent right there. And that's just the way it was. Oh, I'm going to see if the rest of that tape is stuck underneath there, okay? 'Cause I don't know if I got it all. Yep, I still see a piece. And some back here, too. Got it. Man. Well, I got most of it, but there's still a piece stuck right there and I can't get it.
It's alright.
Nobody's going to be down here looking at it from this vantage point anyway, so that'd be ridiculous. See, it opens up and closes good now after it got open for the first time, see?
Yeah.
And I think there's a tray on this because I could see it from the back that there was a tray. But it looks like they got screws holding this on the front. See? Mm-hmm. So you'd have to unscrew it, you know, to get it off there to get that tray out, if you needed to do that. Yeah. Unless that's just a fake screw. It doesn't even look like a metal screw. It looks like it's just plastic. It could just be a little rivet or something like that. I think there's still some cardboard down here stuck on the caster. On this one too. See? Mm-hmm. Got it. See that?
I gotta move. Wedge's wanting to go through, but he's scared.
Okay. You won't try eating this, will he? Okay, so you saw the inside, right? Mm-hmm. Aimed all over in there? Mm-hmm. These must be the handles. See? Heck, I'm gonna have to get the tape off this so I can even just to get the handles off. There we go. See some tape? There it is, see? Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a screwdriver. Same with this one. See? Only thing is, they taped it right here, see? Oh, we didn't aim it at this one. In here. The date. Right there. See? 2004. With a 12 on the end of it. Okay. Go ahead and aim it at it one more time, then you can go ahead and stop the camera. Oh, see, look at that. That don't look right. It's supposed to be stainless steel. You won't bite me, Willie. I got it. Okay, you can stop it now. That's cute. He was looking right back at you. Got foam on you. Poor thing. Yeah, just go ahead and push the button and it'll stop recording.